is I got a puncture the other day, and so I decided to leave it until the end of the week and repair it. And basically because by the time I get home I'm so shattered, I don't have the time. So anyway, this weekend I decided that I'd take the tyre off, which I did. This was on Saturday, and it just became a real nightmare. And I had the tube in and out, in and out, in and out. And I think a lot of it was because I kept pinching the tube, putting it back in, not taking it out. So that was extremely annoying. But yesterday, finally, at the end of the day, I managed to do it, and I was extremely careful. And I knew after an hour, if it lasted, it was going to be okay. So here we are, we're back on it. But today I'm going to a place called John Groombridge's in East Sussex, and I'm going to go and buy another new tube so that I've got one just in case I need it. Oh, looks like we've got a cycle race on, or ride. Now, I have a confession to make, but I have another Honda CBR 1000F, and it's a year later with 48,000 miles on it, so it's 20,000 miles less. Oh, I want to tell you about it, but I also want to leave it until I get out on the video. But you will think it looks absolutely stunning, but there are also things on it that I just want to show you. So here we are, going through the East Sussex countryside in all its glory today. So I'm doing a steady 40, and I forgot to pick up my gloves, which was a bit stupid. But anyway, it is what it is. I really don't like this stand because this stand makes it stand up way too much. That's better. Oh, I haven't got a mask, which is not very clever. Morning. I don't have a mask with me, is that a problem? I'm coming up to pick up a tube.
I'll get them bring it down.
Yeah, I need to pay for it though.
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, here we are. Oh, look. Look at this. Good Lord. 43,000. Yeah. Don't like all this stuff.
Found some spares, so.
Ah, brilliant. Thank you.
No problem. Coming out.
Yeah. Excellent. Cool. Lovely. Thank you very much. That'll have to do. Hello there.
Hi, you're after an inner tube, yeah?
Yeah, apparently your young lad put it by for me.
Okay.
Uh,
Your name again, sorry?
Grant.
Grant. Bear with me.
That's all right. Don't worry. Yeah, no. I understand. All right.
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye-bye. Right, well that was easy. So here we have the Royal Enfield place. Look. Interceptor. Yeah, you see, I don't like all the injection. Don't like the injection. Royal Enfield. But look, they're not expensive. See, they're not expensive. New bike, £4,500. Amazing. However, the Bullet Classic 500. Oh no, how much is that? It looks like it's got a bigger tank. Anyway, I don't want that. But that's nice. Meteor. It is Meteor. What we got along here? Royal Enfield, Suzuki. Scooter, look at that. Now that's tricky. I quite like that. I must be going backwards in my years now. That's terrific. Yep, starting to warm up now. Now the trick is, I've got to get this home. Look at that. Tricky, tricky, dicky. How wonderful. Right, so we're on it. We are away. Brilliant. Lights on, visor down. Take this off. Put that in there in case I need it another time. It's a good idea, Grant. Well done. Lovely and cool. It's a beautiful day. It's lovely and cool. It's warming up. Why would you want to be doing anything else? The sad thing is, when I get home, which is not too far away, and I know that she wouldn't begrudge me of going for a little ride round, but because I spent all day yesterday sodding about with a puncture through my own incompetence, I now have chores. and a gardener. Still got Mr. Warburton behind me. Mr. Porsche. I am so pleased I have this because it gives me the option of having a ride round without racing around like a lunatic, and it gives you time to see things. Anyway, you don't want to be racing around too much on it. The brakes aren't that brilliant, even though this has disc on the front and the drum on the back. Got a nice Ferrari behind me. Nice. Smells good too. And that's what today's all about. Today is a day for getting out. If you're fortunate enough and you've been good and you've saved and you've spent money you shouldn't have to get your toys out and enjoy it. Right. Yeah, so we have a little bit of a cycle ride today. Three 5.5. Wheeze. Wheeze. I'm wheezing. And there we are. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right. Let's lock you up. If you like the video, subscribe, give me a thumbs up.